Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. I'm Jaisha. Welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be experimenting with a new gel.
Yup.
I'm experimenting again with a new gel that I found in Target. It's not necessarily new, but it's new to me, and I think it just got to Target. This is the Curldaze Glossy Shine Gel with Kukui Oil. So it says for shiny, defined twist outs, braid outs, wash and goes, and edges. Good. Sulfate, paraben, silicone, and alcohol free. This is from a creator here on YouTube by the name of Curldaze. She came out with her own line. I didn't know about it until I saw it in Target, and so I said, ooh, let's try this out and see how it works. This is supposed to be like a no flaking gel, which I know a lot of people don't like gel for that reason. The ingredients seem really clean. So yeah, we're gonna hop right to it because my hair is wet. Freshly washed, of course. I'm doing this style with no leave-in. I've been trying this for the last few gels that I have tried out on camera just to get a good picture of how the gel works on its own. And because this claims to be a moisturizing gel, I feel like I'm going to be fine without a leave-in. It has Kukui Oil, which I've never tried for my hair, but it sounds Hawaiian. I normally do a leave-in, but for the sake of the video, just so that like we can try out how the gel really works, we're going to leave out the leave-in. So this is how it looks. Is it? Oh, okay. So it's kind of thick, but also a little, it's jelly-like. See that? Okay, okay. Okay, I like this consistency. Not mad at it, not mad at it. It smells good. It smells kind of floral. A little floral, springy kind of scent. So it definitely passed the consistency test as far as the thickness of the gel. I don't like runny products. Well, you know, whether it's a deep conditioner, a leave-in, a gel, I just feel like thick products work for thick hair. I'll be honest, I don't think I've ever watched any of Curldaze's videos. I don't know if that's a bad thing. I mean, you can't watch everybody's videos. I've definitely seen her around the social media world before, on YouTube, on Instagram. I'm pretty sure she's been making videos for a while. I'm just not subscribed to her. I mean, I didn't really look up anything about this gel or about her products. I saw that this was in Target, and I'm kind of always looking for black-owned brands in Target. And, you know, she's a fellow creator, YouTuber, so I was like, let's try this out and see how it works. I love brands and products that are made like with me in mind. I love, when it comes to hair products, I feel like the best brands are the ones specifically made for natural hair, the ones that are made by people who have been in the same struggle with their curls, and making products that are specified towards your hair and your curls. These people know the struggles of curly hair, natural hair, and what it's like. So I just feel like their products are going to address those issues that we have, and I just think that's the best thing. As a YouTuber, I'm sure she's tried hundreds and tons of products over the years. So, you know, someone like that, they know, you know, what not to do and what to do, what they're looking for, and what the natural hair community is looking for, essentially. And so I feel like, you know, they're gonna have good products because they out here in these streets. So far, not too bad. Not too bad. I have to say, it feels very good going on to my hair. Like, my hair has like this smooth, moisturized feeling to it. You know, the gel is not like making my hair super hard, but it's also defining it at the same time. Okay, gel is in, and oh, the definition is, it's giving. Okay, so it's looking very promising. The definition is on point, but we're not gonna make any final determinations until it is fully dry. Okay, my hair is fully dried. I did my normal drying routine, which is I air dry for a few hours. I'd say I did maybe like 2 hours or so while I was cooking dinner, and then I diffuse the rest of my hair, which by that time is usually just my roots that are still wet, so I just go with the diffuser and get it completely dry. As for this gel, we definitely got another winner in the gel category. The definition, the moisture, the hold, it's all doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, let me give you a little close up, okay? Because, like, look, listen. What frizz? Alright, there's a little bit of frizz. Look it. So there's no flaking. They said that, and it's true. No flaking. The hold, the moisture, the definition, like, it's all on point. I definitely got something new to put in my arsenal. So I am back with an update on day 4. Whenever I try out new products, I like to come back on here and give an update on how the product is holding up and how my style is doing. I just like seeing this when I'm watching other people's videos. I'm always curious about it. I just think it gives a better picture overall and a more thorough review of how the product works, so that you can decide if you want to spend your money on it or not. So here we are on day 4, almost day 5 actually, and my hair is still looking lovely. Like, it might as well be day 2 right now. Like, you couldn't tell me this is not day 2 hair. It still looks amazing. I promise I'm not trying to trick you. It is really day 4. I did my wash and go on Friday, and today is Tuesday. It is like still looking good. The definition is definitely still there. Is that a flake? Okay, so I mean, it said no flaking, but there actually might be like a tiny bit of flaking that I'm seeing right now as I'm moving my hair around. Curldaze did her thing with this gel, okay? I didn't have any expectations. I don't go into like new products and styles with, you know, high expectations, but this kind of blew me away, and I'm shocked, and I'm really happy that it is something that I can recommend. It's definitely something I would buy again, and it's gonna be in the arsenal of gels that I love. Okay, maybe love is a strong word. I don't want to get ahead of myself. This is only my first time using it, but it's amazing. The only thing that I will say that might throw some people off, the gel claims to be non-flaking, and I didn't notice it until I turned the camera on, of course, and I started moving my hair, that I am seeing little bitty tiny flakes floating around. Like I said, I'm not pressed by it. It's minimal, but if that's something that you don't want, just something to be mindful of. So let me know if you like these updates when I come back on day 3 or day 4 and show you how the product and the style is holding up. Should I continue doing them? I find it helpful when I watch videos, so hopefully you find it helpful. Leave me a comment and let me know. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please hit the thumbs up button if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.